Selena, Class 10, Chapter 9, Matrices. Multiplications of matrices. Compatibility for multiplication of matrices means two matrices can be multiplied only if numbers of columns in A left hand matrix is equal to number of rows in B right hand matrix. Whenever number of column, your two columns are there and your two rows are there. Whenever number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B, then only the product AB is possible. To multiply or to get the product of AB, first step, multiply every element of first row with the corresponding every element of first column and add to get the first element of the first row of product AB. Means you circle this and 3 ones are 3 plus 3 4 3s are 12. 3 plus 12 is 15. This is the first element. Every element in the first row corresponding to the every element of second column of B matrix and add for second element of AB, product AB. That means 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. 3 2s are 6 plus 16, that is 22 for second element. For third element, same way, similar manner, second row of A with first column of B. So 5 into 1 plus 0 into 3, that is 5, third element of the AB. Now finally, for the last element, second row and second column of A and B respectively, 5 2s are 10 plus 0 into 4, 0. 10 plus 0, 10. Last element of AB. Hence, product of matrices A and B equal to AB. First row of A, first column of B. First row of A, second column of B. Second row of A, first column of B. Second row of A, second column of B. If the order of matrix A is Mn and order of matrix B is Np, then product AB is possible. Why? Number of columns and numbers of rows are equal. They are compatible for multiplication as number of and the product matrix is C and the obtained matrix will be M into P, number of rows of first matrix into number of columns of second matrix. So when n are equal, the resulting matrix will be MP. Take another example. A 3 into 5, B 5 into 2. 5 equal, so multiplication is possible and resulting matrix will be 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Other example. P 4 into 3, Q 3 into 2. 3 common, so multiplication is possible and resulting matrix will be 4 into 2. Exercise 9C. Evaluate if possible. First part, 3 2 2 0. It is 1 into 2, 2 into 1. 2 cancel, 1 into 1 will be the resulting matrix and it will be 3 2s are 6, 2 plus 2 into 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. Second part, 1 minus 2, minus 2 3, minus 1 4. Minus 2 into plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2. Here 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 equal to 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 8 5, 0 minus 5. Third part, 6 4 3 minus 1 3. Numbers of rows equal to number of columns, so it is compatible. Minus 6 in plus 12, minus 6 plus 12, and minus 3 minus 3. So minus 6 plus 12 6, minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. Fourth part, here 6 4 3 minus 1 3. Numbers of columns are 2, and here numbers of row is 1. Hence number of column in the first matrix is not equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Thus the product is not possible. Second sum, if A is equal to 0 2 5 minus 2 and B equal to 1 minus 1 3 2 and I is the unit matrix of order 2 into 2, find AB. So substitute the value of A and B. Number of rows column equal to number of rows, hence it can be multiplied. 0 into 1 0, 2 3s are 6, 0 plus 6 6, 0 into minus 1 0, 2 2s are 4, 0 plus 4 4, 5 1s are 5, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 5 minus 6 minus 1, minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Second part, BA. So first write B matrix and then A matrix and then multiply. 1 zeros are 0, minus 1 into 5 minus 5, 0 minus 5 minus 5. Second element, 1 2s are 2, minus into minus plus 2, 2 plus 2 4. Third element, 3 into 0 0, 2 5s are 10, 0 plus 10 10, 3 2s are 6, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 6 minus 4 2. Hence BA is minus 5 4 10 2. Third part, AI equal to, so first write A matrix and then identity matrix, which is 1 0 0 1, and then multiply. So 0 into 1 0, 2 into 0 0. Okay, now second element, 0 into 0 0, plus 2 into 1 2, 5 into 1 5, 0 minus 2 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Hence 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 2 2, 5 minus 0 5, 0 minus 2 minus 2, which is equal to A matrix. Fourth part, IB, identity matrix, B matrix. Multiplication, 0 into 1 0 1, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 3 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 0 into 2 0, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 3 3, 0 plus 3 3, 0 into minus 1 0, plus 1 into 2 2, 0 plus 2 2. equal to 1 minus 1 3 2, which is equal to B matrix. Fifth part, A square. So A into A, write the matrix and then do the multiplication. So 0 into 0, 0, 2 5s are 10. 0 into 2, 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 5 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 5, minus 10. 2 5s, 5 2s are 10, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4, equal to 0 plus 10, 10, 0 plus 0 minus 4, minus 4, 0 minus 10, minus 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Sixth part, B square A. First we will find B square, B into B, and then we will multiply by A. B square is 1 minus 1 3 2, 1 minus 1 3 2, and now we will multiply this to matrices. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 1 minus 3, minus 2, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 in minus 2, minus 3, 3 into 1, 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 plus 6, 9, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 plus 4, 1. B square equal to minus 2, minus 3, 9, 1. So we will write here B square and A matrix, that is 0, 2, 5, minus 2, to get B square A, equal to minus 2 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 5, minus 15, 0 minus 15, minus 15, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6, minus 4 plus 6, 2, 9 into 0, 0, 1 into 5, 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 9 2s are 18, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 18 minus 2 is 16. Hence B square B square A equal to minus 15, 2, 5, 16.